and welcome to our Wonder Talks. Here I am, Miss Cloud with Miss Jolie. How are you, Jolie?
Good.
Good. Well, today we're going to talk about sound effects, and I wanted to ask you a question, Jolie. Do you know what a Foley artist is?
Yes.
What is it?
They use different materials to make sound.
Exactly. To make sounds for what?
For movies.
Exactly, yeah. So everything you see in a movie, it's been edited after they record it and they added the sound in another studio or space. So do you want to try making sound effects with me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's start with, do you want to try making sounds of paws of a dog walking?
Yeah.
Okay, then I need your right hand. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna imagine the dog and you're gonna use this surface, this little table, just slowly. Imagine this dog that is walking, just walking inside the house.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Do you wanna know how we can make sound of cracking ice? Do you want me to show you?
Using pine cones?
Yes, exactly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break these pine cones. This one is for you. You can take the glove off if you want. We're gonna do is just break it.
It looks like a flower.
Yeah, it does, and it smells really good, actually. So the next sound that we're gonna do is like we're walking on snow, and for that we're gonna use sandbags. And what you're gonna do is just step on them, and you're gonna hear the sound. And once again, now you try. So cool. Do you wanna know how to do waterfall sound? And be careful. Nice. Right now, we're gonna try another way from the tray to this little piece.
That sounds more like a waterfall.
Yeah, more like a waterfall, right? Did you see like the distance that I made between the tray and the little thing here? The distance also like changes the sound and the speed also. So, did you like this experiment? Basically what a Foley artist does, they make this sound art for movies or TV shows or... Yes, nice, nice. So now I want you to go home and just try to experiment with this. Look, here I have like extra paper clips. What we can do is, I don't know, we can do like...
So I think I just drop it in.
You can drop it in, let's see. Do it again. Try with this. And that would be the sound of what? What do you think?
Like a people splattering in water.
No, yeah. Could be that. Or like if you're like throwing stones in a lake, maybe. Awesome. Awesome, Julie.
Bye-bye.
Well, that's it for us today. Yeah, let's say bye-bye. Bye.
Oh, and I also hope you enjoy your life. Bye.
Your life in general, yes.